at the moment.
That's it. So here's the Poffertjes being made, the famous Dutch Poffertjes.
Canada, our pancake is as big as yours.
Yeah, I know. But Canada is a big country, so.
You're saying because you're from Canada you want big pancakes? Big country, big pancakes.
It's a bionic arm.
Yeah.
See how quick they are? It's nearly 16 portions made up.
When I get home in the evening, I take this one off and I put the regular one on.
No, use the other one.
One more minute and those are all.
Little film. So we're now in the Volendam market. They're all ready to have some Poffertjes, some Dutch pancakes with icing sugar. And you can also see here, look, a whole variety of different types and styles of toppings, natural cheese, brandy, rum and raisin, egg liqueur. So it looks like they're just about ready. I think everyone who's ready to eat them is just about ready. You all hungry?
Yes.
Ready for pancakes?
Yes. How much that one? You go with the one? 6.95, 7.95, all medium is small. Yeah, I
So we'll all be having eight pancakes each.
Yes, 6, 8, small.
Does anybody want pancakes with cheese?
No.
Yep, maybe one or two.
Okay, guys.
Yeah, I think I like that.
Ice cream. Ice cream.
Okay, here they come.
Susan, pancake lahat yata ibibigay.
Pancake with ice cream.
Oh, pancake with ice cream.